Hi guys, congratulations on making it through that choosing your research question. I know that can be extremely daunting to think about, but I hope that that process was pretty illuminating for you. So now we're going to look into making an outline. I know it's everybody's favorite word when we're writing papers, right? This is where we're going to have that rough outline, okay? I want you to remember this is just a guide, okay? You should choose now whether you're going to complete an 8 to 10 minute filmed biography, so what I've been kind of showcasing throughout, or a 4-page research paper. It is up to you what you would like to do with that research question and how you're going to showcase your commodity through those thresholds, okay? For the LBH, you're going to need to cover, again, at least 3 thresholds, and one of them must be pre-human. You must also have at least 3 disciplines that are used as well, one of which, of course, should be history. This is a history class, so it'd be kind of weird if you didn't have to do that. For your outline, you must include which 3 thresholds you will be covering and why you are doing that. How are they going to relate to your chosen item or topic, okay? And then which 3 disciplines are you using and why? How those will relate to your chosen item and topic. I don't really care if this is in bullet point format or a true outline format, but I need those ideas here so that I know that you have some sort of a starting place, that you are really considering what type of format your story is going to take place as well. So like if you're thinking about, the first scene in your biography is this, or your introductory paragraph in your research paper is this, okay? And then again, if you completely blanked on this project, which I hope you haven't, because it's like the 3rd time I've shown a video, I have another little big history project there, okay? Your second step is to refer to the research questions that you generated in 6.0. Decide which one you're going to explore more in depth as an extension of the biography part here. This will be your focus of the paper or the video that you're going to create to support your LBH project. Hopefully I've already gotten back to you on feedback. If I haven't, and you wait a second to get this outline in until I do, I completely understand. I will be checking these as often as I possibly can during this week, okay? So try and get that in if you haven't already, because I do want to give you just a little bit of feedback to help you out, okay? So just be aware, I have down here what your final product will have as requirements, and I'm going to have this throughout, even when we have an optional rough draft turn in, so I can give you feedback there, and then for your actual paper or biography turn in as well. So your paper or biography must detail the history of your object across those 3 thresholds, and again, 1 prior to life. You must incorporate at least 3 total disciplines in your paper. 1 must be history. Duh. You must use your research question to form a claim about your object or topic. Okay, that's your thesis statement. It has to be in either your paper, or it can also, needs to be in that biography as well if you choose to do a video. And your conclusion, I need you to analyze the importance of your chosen object or topic by explaining what the world would be like without its existence. This is your conjecture, of course, but use a history lens for this, of causation for this, okay? So if this had never happened, what effects may not have happened because of it, okay? It might take a little bit of thought process on your part, and we can always discuss that as well if you need help with that, okay? And then your paper length must be 4 pages, MLA format. You have to have a separate works cited page. It does not count toward those 4 pages. And then your biography must be 8 to 10 minutes in length. You must also have a works cited page with those 10, 10 sources, okay? And that is my last piece there, that 10 total sources must be used for the LBH project, 5 of which you hopefully came up with, and 2.0 sourced out, okay? Please let me know if you have any additional questions, and I look forward to getting to read your outline. Thanks so much, guys.